In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark a thread on Slack so you can quickly come back to important conversations whenever you need them. If you work in Slack every day, you already know how easy it is for key messages to get buried in busy channels. Bookmarking threads is one of the simplest ways to stay organized, save time, and never lose track of important discussions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tips and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into Slack and inside your workspace. This works on both the desktop app and the web version of Slack, so you can follow along no matter how you use it. Once you're in Slack, go to the channel or space where the message you want to bookmark is located. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even your personal space if that's where the conversation lives. Now, look through the channel and find the specific message or thread that you want to bookmark. This is usually a message that contains important information, a decision, a link, or a discussion you know you'll need to reference later. When you find it, hover your mouse over that message. As soon as you hover, you'll notice a small toolbar appear next to the message with several icons. In that toolbar, look for the bookmark icon. It usually looks like a small ribbon or bookmark symbol. Go ahead and click on that bookmark icon. As soon as you click it, Slack will automatically bookmark that thread for you. There's no extra confirmation step required, and you don't need to open any additional menus. Once the thread is bookmarked, Slack saves it so you can easily access it later without searching through the entire channel again. This is especially useful for long-running projects, ongoing discussions, or messages that include important links, instructions, or files. To view your bookmark threads later, you can open the Bookmarks section in Slack for that channel or space. From there, you'll see all the threads and items you've bookmarked, neatly organized and ready to open whenever you need them. This makes it much easier to stay on top of key conversations, even in very active workspaces. And that's really all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can bookmark any thread in Slack and save yourself a lot of time and frustration later on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.